Ahoy there.
I'm a vampire. Kill me. Kill me.
This is murder! Murder! You'll all be guilty! And you're doing it for nothing! Killing me won't bring back your goddamn honey! Ah! Oh, my eyes! My eyes! Ah! Ah!
Oh my God.
Give me an H. Give me an A-M-P. What's that spell? Everybody, champ.
Interesting choice of words.
What is this feeling so sudden and new?
I felt the moment I laid eyes on you.
My pulse is rushing,
My head is reeling.
my face is flushing.
What is this feeling? Fervid as a flame. Does it have a name? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you're having a heart attack.
Wow. The plot thickens. Didn't even know you had a plot.
No kidding.
I'm a vampire! 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 I'm like a prickly pear.
Ain't no way, Kevin! You got snake eyes!
I'm a prickly pear. God damn it!
I'll call Mr. T.
How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned?
I don't know!
This is fight night!
Hello, miss! I'm in the middle of a homicide investigation. Try to get my prescription, please!
What could be easier? It's all alphabetical. According to alphabetical order. You know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z! Huh?
Very good. You know your alphabet.
You have to do it. You have to, or I'll fire you. Do you understand? I don't understand. I'm gonna have you fired.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.